because I've got this beautiful 4-bedroom brand new home, and it's been designed by the owners very, very well. And if you're all looking for something in the Hillcroft Estate, which is a beautiful pocket in Campbelltown, that's one of the bedrooms, all of the bedrooms with high ceilings. That's the bathroom in here. That's bedroom number 2. Again, all high ceilings, heaps of natural sunlight, laundry in here. Kitchen is beautiful as well. Look at that. Fully tiled. Again, I personally think the best feature of the house is the high ceilings. You've got the master bedroom, which is oversized as well, with an ensuite in here. It's been very well designed. If you're all looking for something that has good bones, brand new, something you want to move in straight away, this is the one.